Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we will be learning how to delete your Mobills account. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. Open up your Mobills application from your app drawer and make sure to log into your account. From the main home page, go ahead and tap on the More button at the bottom right hand corner. Now click on the gear button at the top right. And from the settings interface, look for the privacy option and tap on it. Now select Delete Account in red from the privacy menu. Confirm that you'd really want to delete your account. The process is irreversible, and then once you proceed with the deletion, your email will be unlinked from Mobills. Scroll all the way down and tap on Delete Account and type in Delete in the text box on the next page. Now click on Confirm and you will then be able to delete your Mobills account. Hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another update from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.